how to use it, and how we actually developed these and made it better than before. So these are the list. And so far I can remember more than 75 discussion classes are there, almost
Yes, sir.
double than before.
Yeah.
And many things are there. Those who are using, that basic discussions, X-ray, ECGs, clinical pictures, exam techniques, many things are there. So in there, you will get the question bundle. I will show you how to use in the following pages. Comprehensive question bundle. There are two set of question bundle or question bank, and two sets. It is very new. Initially, it was before only one set of system mocks. Now we incorporated double set, double. And
Yes, sir.
recall, like today, previous records are there. Almost all records are there. It contains, and finally the two full mock, each mock of 200 question for your final preparation. And relevant books, actually, we don't like to refer you many books. It will create the burden. Many books are relevant. For example, those who attended our lecture classes, we have utilized many references, but I didn't give you all the references. If you go through all the references, it will be practically wasting of the time, because you are appearing the exam, not you becoming master of the subject. You are appearing exam to pass. For this reason, what we prefer, this is Oxford Handbook of General Practice. That is our preferred book. A little materials as a learning, what we say, relevant slides. You see, relevant books, notes means relevant slides we are adding. And I will show you how we are using it. Finally, in the group, everybody interacting, we are very happy to you. The regular WhatsApp interaction. This is actually headlines of the contents, and these links is actually how to use the module. So it is our old record, and today you will get the today's discussion hopefully. And this is the relevant books and materials link. If you click there, you will find. So these are overall at a glance the class topics in the discussion classes. Some are master classes, for example, ECG master class. In addition, ECG in the AKT, we have separated the ECG just to utilize your short time. But to understand the ECG, actually you need to go through this. You might be ready with the ECG from beforehand, so you don't need to go to their ECG master class. I like to mean that you become master of the ECG. So you just look at the exam ECG. That's all. Like this, anywhere you will find master classes, ECG, X-ray, basic acid-base disorder, skin approach, musculoskeletal disease approach. These are not exam question directly. Those who attended, Again, identify the focal lesion. It was very marvelous topic, including MRCP, written part 2, part 1, and the paces also. We have taken the class few years before. It was our own creation. Very nice animation. And the fundoscopy altogether. Anyway, so how we design to actually make you activated. Everything's are available almost in the books, notes, but we actually tried our best to make the module is dynamic also. Dynamic means it is not like silent one pages material. So suppose in the basic thing, AKT syllabus, exam preparation tricks, you just click there and you will be able to see. I'm just clicking to show you. Those who are very new, it will be useful for that. So these are some our YouTube videos. That is our basic discussion. So I am not going there. So if you click there like this, through your Gmail ID, you will open. Again, new updates of AKT exam preparation, similar. So this color usually will remain as open button for everybody. Like if you come to the system, this is the structured system study. So first step is view the lecture. So there are many lecture you see. According to the system, there may be usually more than one lecture everywhere. But in the cardiology, it is lipidemia more because ECG lectures are much. So these are the master classes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. And the cardiovascular system, click here, you will open the lecture. ECG in the AKT exam, this is separated like today, what you have seen, the heart block and others, we covered these few. And it will be updated in future. If any extra ECGs are given, hopefully we will take another class of this. So don't worry. So for this reason, we are updating it, and keep your eyes in the group. This is a dyslipidemia. It was definitely was excellent lecture from our side. So again, if you click there, you will go to the dyslipidemia lecture in the Google Drive. So it is being uploaded, and if you click there, then you see it is coming. It is coming there. A very great situation. I don't know. Can you hear the voice from the record here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the lecture. After listening the lecture, viewing the lecture, then go to the relevant slide. So you see there are many topics. So how many the relevant slide? Usually more than one relevant slide. So I click there. You see cardiovascular problem and the dyslipidemia lectures are mainly there. So relevant slides are there. This is actually a PowerPoint slide. We made it PDF. So you, for short time learning, it will be impressive for you. Headlines are there. So again, if you finish the relevant slide, then come to solve the question bank. That is our question bank 1, question bank 2. We offer you question bank is mandatory must. 2 is optional and addition. Those purchase, rather to say, the long-term subscription from us, then it will be feasible for you to see this optional. But minimum, you have to finish it. So in the cardiovascular dyslipidemia question bundle, if you click there, then it will direct you to cardiology dyslipidemia, including ECG arrhythmia conduction problem as well. There are some discussions also, PDFs are or other discussions are there in this. So if you click there, how we design it, suppose for example in the cardiology, you click cardiology. Now again we divided drugs in cardiovascular system, heart failure topics, hypertension, common diseases are separated, isolated. Hopefully you may not get in this way in somewhere or the market question bundles. We
Yes,
tried
sir.
our
It is
best.
very good.
It is
Yes.
it is actually not done because they have given little segregation. Suppose bus medicine, bus test or other. But from our side, we tried our best, and it will be going on as much as possible in future. Also, we will try our best to update it. This grouping, why grouping is important. For example, you are learning hypertension. So if you click there hypertension, if all of the types of hypertension you will need to know, so everything almost in within single, what is a folder. So I'm going back hypertension. If you want to know ischemic heart disease, click there, then acute coronary syndrome, angina, chest pain. So it's, I think, sorry to actually to claim it from our side, you will agree with this. These are grouped together in this way. So this is
Yes.
very fantastic grouping. And if you cross there, now come to the optional. Actually in the optional we didn't group system wise because it is additional. In if you feel interest more, you click there and you will identify by yourself which system you like to more. So it's a common like this always. So if you want cardiovascular, you click there. It is not like this very segregated. Just click there cardiovascular, you open extra questions for you. So initially you may not need it. Okay. So after the question bank, now you come to the system mock. That means when you feel that I have gone through all the materials, it may take time. And look at there, minimum 6 days may be needed. We just tried our best to calculate. If you take, you may need more than 1 day also. It is just assumption and to guide you, direct you how many days you need to invest from your life for this study. Otherwise, you may not be able to finish everything with your specific time. So within 6 days or at best 1 week, try to cover everything. So at the end, you just click the exam. Now how to appear the exam? After clicking these, you found that your question is open now, cardiovascular system and dyslipidemia. If the font size is smaller, not visible well to you, you just see there in the corner right side. Usually in the desktop it is found in the three dots are there. You just make it larger by zooming, right? Larger according to your suitable size. Okay. And then you come there to start your exam journey. There are 28 questions. So you need to write down your Gmail ID. For example, this one. And enter there. Then go down one by one. You can see that one question carrying 1 point. So if you start from there, answer 1, answer 2, then answer 3. So for simple, we have done 3 answers. So if you go down and at the last time, you need to submit it. And remember that you have answered only 3. There may be right answer and the wrong answer. So just submitted the paper now and then view the score. So you see, we have answered 3 questions. We got 1 score. It's automatically came here because from the 3, possibly only 1 answer is correct. So check which answer is correct. You see in the green color, this one correct. This is correct one. And this the red color means wrong answer. Third one. This is wrong answer. And the remaining actually you didn't answer. So they recognized these answers as negative. That means wrong answer. So your total score is 1 now over. So this is the score. Now you want to see that minimum, the wrong answer, why you are wrong. So if we check number 2, we are wrong. So in the 2, you see that there is a link and answer is there. So click the link and open it and check number 1, number 2 like this. As your answer was number 1 is correct. So we can skip down and go to the answer 2. After long discussion, this is answer 2. To QAD means answer number 2. There is the correct answer. This is the aspirin. Answer is C. And there below is the description. Similarly, if you want to see the answer 3 as it was wrong, so if you scroll down, you can see down after finishing the number 2 discussion, this is the answer 3. And this is the correct answer. This is the explanation. So likewise, you can check each and every question's answer in this link. Okay. So this is finished now and you can go back. Your answer is over and you can go back to again to your learning module. So, and now we can open these after the finishing your thing that your cardiovascular dyslipidemia discussion is over, your learning primarily over. Then if you have any question, you already note it down and go to the WhatsApp. You click there, allow. This is our WhatsApp group. And if you click there, join chat, then it will be open for you. So this is the AKT WhatsApp already. Many of you members there. Sorry. There you can interact like every day you are doing this. So our one system is finished in this way. Similarly, respirology and others likewise. So again, there might be some master class in the right side. Usually we put, you see, skin diagnostic approach. This is actually a master class in general, and usually this color is open button. Those who are new, for your informations. So you go down, and the miscellaneous are there, master class is there. And the later part is the lab test, clinical pictures, sticks and trips. You will get the today's link I have shown you in this here. So clinical picture for AKT is a separate question. Important clinical picture appeared in this exam, we collected. So after that, you will come to the system mock 2. That is without any discussion lectures and others. So one by one, again, the separate system. Cardiovascular dyslipidemia, respirology, the separate one. The GI tracts, for example, it is not same question. It is separate question. Again, you actually what I say, give the answer 1 here. But before that, you need to wait to get it uploaded. It is taking a little time. Sometimes depends upon the, what I say, the network. And many, actually, our participant responded for this. It is actually for us, not for you. There was 25 responses in this question before done. So similarly, it will be the, if you need to add here your valid Gmail ID, you will you write here ID and other. So I will not show detail here. Again, it will give you the response and explanation, everything. I think it will be very self-driven material. You will find it very easy for you. You will find it for easy for you. So one by one, if you go down, then it will be finished. Then second time, you have finished your system mock. At the end, you are given recall videos like today. In the last one also it was there. So after finishing the recall, there were more recalls are there. Like every exam having, you see, near about 140, 150 questions we discussed. So I think more than thousands are there. Finally, come to this complete mock 1 and complete mock 2. So we calculated practically it may take around 4-month time to finish it. But you see that in our this module, actually we offer you for the 6-month minimum with right and left. But if you become sincere, it could be finished within 4 months. This is our calculation. But we are human. We are busy in our personal life, family life, many things. For this reason, we put these around 6 months. Dynamic module, because you know that those who attended our AKT courses last time, we refreshed it. We took around 1 week time to update it and we disseminated to you later on. So almost after each examination, we are doing very big update. But in between these also, the exams, little things we are updating. I told you the grouping will be updated. Mock question maybe, some question will be replaced. So internal working we are doing best, hopefully to make it very useful for you, and it is containing almost everything. So up to these, and if you have any question regarding this module use or anything, you can discuss with us.